and welcome to Eat It Together. Today we're going to be making a sandwich. I'm Rachel.
I'm Sarah.
So Sarah's going to be building the sandwich as I give the instructions. Okay, so we've got all of the things that we need for a sandwich on here. We are doing bread thins, but you can use any type of bread that you want, 1 or 2 slices. We've got meat. Today we're using turkey, but again, you can use whatever kind of meat you want. 2 to 3 slices should be enough for one sandwich. And then we've also got a slice of cheese. Again, it's up to you. So Sarah, you want to put our bread on the plate? Okay, next we're going to add our meat. And you can go ahead and use all of that we have there. Okay, then we're going to add our cheese. Then you can top the sandwich with whatever you want. Today we're just going to put a little bit of mustard, but if you wanted to put mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce, tomatoes, you can add anything to your sandwich to make it your own. Okay, go ahead and add your top bun. And now your sandwich is ready to enjoy. Thanks for joining us.